Anatomy of neck. Deep cervical fascia of neck, fascia coli. It is a fascia in which inverse muscles of neck and fill up the interval between muscles, vessels, and cervical viscera. Three parts: investing fascia, pretracheal fascia, prevertebral fascia, carotid sheath. Compartment. Content of neck is grouped into neck spaces called compartment. Visceral compartment. Between pretracheal and prevertebral layers where trachea, esophagus, thyroid gland is present. Neurovascular component inside the carotid sheath where internal carotid artery, internal jugular vein and vagus nerve is present. Vertebral compartment, a long flexible part, consists of 7 bones, C1 to C7 intervertebral disc. These are the anatomy. Here we can see the sternocleidomastoid muscle, mylohyoid muscle, hyoid bone, thyrohyoid membrane, right internal jugular vein, right common carotid artery, thyroid hyoid muscles, omohyoid muscles, sternohyoid muscles, scalus medius, trapezius, omohyoid, scalenus anterior clavicle, sternum, trachea, thyroid gland, sternocleidomastoid, cricothyroid muscle. Okay. Internal carotid. Posterior atlas axis. Atlas is C1, C2 axis, spinous process, transverse process. Important fascia in the neck, it acts as a covering and protective barrier. So, common carotid, internal jugular and vagus nerve in carotid sheath. These are another thyroid, hyoid membrane, thyroid cartilage, superior thyroid isthmus, trachea, inferior thyroid artery. Vascular of neck classification: arteries, common carotid artery, subclavian artery, vertebral artery. Common carotid, internal carotid artery, external carotid artery. External carotid artery branches is a facial artery, ascending pharyngeal artery, superior thyroid artery, occipital artery, posterior auricular artery, superior superficial temporal artery, maxillary artery. Veins: internal jugular vein and external jugular vein. Internal jugular vein give rise to facial vein, lingual vein, superior thyroid vein. So in this external carotid artery branches, internal jugular vein gives branches. Main structure of the neck: fibrous raphe from symphysis mendae to hyoid bone. Thyrohyoid membrane connect upper border of thyroid cartilage to the upper border of hyoid bone. Angle of thyroid cartilage formed by fusion of thyroid lamina, median cricothyroid ligament, and pair of cricothyroid muscles. Cricoid cartilage, thyroid gland, cervical part of trachea. Nerve supply is mainly facial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, accessory nerve, hypoglossal nerve, transcervical nerve, supraclavicular nerve. Hyoid bone is a U-shaped structure located in the anterior neck. Lies at the base of the mandible, approximately at the C3, acts as attachment for the neck, anterior neck muscles. Hyoid is ossified from 6 centers, 2 from the body and each cornua. Cartilage of the third pharyngeal arch forms the greater cornua of the hyoid and lower portion of the body of the hyoid. Ossification commences in greater cornua towards the end of the fetal development. Lesser cornua during the first and second year after birth, elderly classified. Anatomy of thyroid gland: 15 to 25 gram butterfly, 2 lobe, 2 capsule, isthmus extend across midline in front of 2 3/4 tracheal ring located deep to sternothyroid, sternohyoid muscle. Okay. Sternocleidomastoid divides side of neck into anterior and posterior triangle. It has 2 heads: sternal head, clavicular head. Sternal head rises on manubrium sterni. This tendinous clavicular head rises from sternal end of the clavicle. Insertion. Okay, this insertion into mastoid process. Sternal head inserted into superior nuchal line. Clavicular head attached to the mastoid process. Okay. Nerve supply: spinal accessory nerve, propulsory innervation from ventral rami. Actions: if one sternocleidomastoid acts, it flexor rotate the face to the opposite side. Okay. Triangles of neck: quadrilateral shaped, and it is divided into sternocleidomastoid, anterior triangle and posterior triangle. In front, midline of the neck, behind anterior border of trapezius, above lower border of body of mandible, a line extending from angle of mandible to the mastoid process. Roof: investing layer of cervical fascia, floor prevertebral fascia. Floor prevertebral fascia, roof investing layer of cervical fascia. Branches of cervical: lesser occipital, greater auricular, supraclavicular, transverse cervical, external jugular vein, cutaneous cervical nerve. Okay. This is a branch, mastoid process. This one mastoid process, external jugular vein, sternocleidomastoid, cervical plexus, supraclavicular nerve, clavicle. Sternocleidomastoid muscles from the clavicle to the superior nuchal line. This inferior border of the anterior triangle, trapezius, posterior triangle. Structure forming the boundaries of posterior triangle is anteriorly posterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle, posteriorly anterior border of trapezius, base, intermediate 1/3 of the clavicle, apex, superior nuchal line where trapezius meets the sternocleidomastoid. Floor of posterior triangle, splenius capitis, levator scapularis, splenius medius, semispinalis capitis. Floor of the posterior triangle is formed by prevertebral fascia covering the following muscles: semispinalis capitis, splenius capitis, levator scapulae, scalenus medius. Subdivisions of posterior triangle. Posterior triangle divided into two triangles by the inferior belly of omohyoid. Upper triangle, occipital triangle. Lower triangle, supraclavicular triangle or subclavian triangle. Inferior belly of superior belly of inferior belly of superior belly of omohyoid ഉണ്ട്, inferior belly of omohyoid ഉണ്ട്. Superior belly of omohyoid, inferior belly of omohyoidum sternocleidomastoidum subclavian triangle എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ക്ലാവിക്കിൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ superior portion of subclavian triangle. Then this is occipital triangle. ഇത് posterior border of sternocleidomastoidum trapezius ഓട് ചേർന്ന്. Contents of occipital triangle: spinal accessory nerve, dorsal scapular nerve, cutaneous branches cervical plexus, superior superficial transverse cervical artery, occipital artery. Boundaries of supraclavicular triangle. Already we told that this inferior belly omohyoid sternocleidomastoid mid-third of clavicle. Roof plus skin superficial platysma investing directly cervical fascia, floor, outer border first trapezius, scalenus medius. All the three are covered by breathing. Contents of supraclavicular triangle. Okay. Subclavian artery, subclavian vein, dorsal scapular nerve to subclavius. Okay. Suboccipital triangle, rectus capitis, posterior major, superior rectus, inferior vertebral artery. That's one. Okay. Triangles of neck. One is this is a carotid triangle, occipital triangle, subclavian triangle, muscular triangle, submandibular triangle, submental triangle. Clavicular, trapezius, posterior belly of digastric, anterior belly of digastric, submental triangle, hyoid bone, superior belly of omohyoid, inferior belly of omohyoid. Boundaries of anterior triangle of neck, that is anterior midline of neck extending from pubic symphysis medial to suprasternal notch. Posteriorly, anterior border of sternocleidomastoid, base, lower third of mandible, and imaginary line extending from angle of the mandible to the mastoid process. Apex, where anterior border of sternocleidomastoid, anterior midline of suprasternal notch meets. Muscular triangle, anterior middle extending from hyoid bone to suprasternal notch. Behind and above superior belly omohyoid, anterior border of sternocleidomastoid, sternocleidomastoid. This is carotid triangle. Boundaries anterior superiorly, posterior belly of omohyoid, anterior superiorly, anterior inferiorly, superior belly of omohyoid, posterior anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid, roof, skin, superficial containing platysma, cervical facial nerve, flora, thyroglossus, hyoglossus, etc. Contents of carotid triangle: internal carotid artery, occipital artery, and facial artery, lingual artery, ascending. External carotid artery, internal carotid artery, occipital artery, this internal jugular vein, vagus nerve. Okay. And anterior triangular, separate digastric and superior belly omohyoid, submandibular triangle, submental triangle, carotid triangle, muscular triangle. Posterior belly is formed by occipital triangle and supraclavicular triangle. Digastric triangle, submandibular triangle or digastric triangle correspond to region of the neck immediately beneath the body of the mandible. Anterior belly of digastric, posterior belly of digastric, base of the mandible, like that. Parotid gland, facial vein, submental triangle, suprahyoid muscles, digastric, Trigastric stylohyoid muscles, mylohyoid muscles, geniohyoid muscles. Infrahyoid, sternohyoid, omohyoid, sternothyroid, sterthyrohyoid. Deep muscles, scalenus anterior, scalenus medius, longus caudae, longus capitis. Okay. Stylohyoid muscles, suprahyoid muscles from styloid bone to styloid process to hyoid bone. Digastric muscles has two bellies, anterior belly of triangle, posterior belly of triangle. Okay. Mylohyoid, floor of the mouth, geniohyoid, floor of the mouth. Tension required, jugular vein 2 kg. Jugular vein only to occlude various structures in the neck. Jugular vein 2 kg, carotid artery 5 kg, trachea 15 kg, vertebral artery 20 kg. So vertebral artery 20 ആണ്, trachea 50, carotid artery 5, jugular vein 2 kg. Injuries of thyroid gland, chronic thyroidectomy, surgery, current larynge, branches of vagus nerve. Supply superior thyroid artery, inferior thyroid artery, arterial thyroidemy. Superior thyroid artery is a branch of external carotid artery. Inferior thyroid artery is the thyrocervical trunk, tracheocerebellar. Then superior thyroid vein, middle thyroid vein, inferior thyroid vein, fourth vein of Kocher. Injury severity, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. Zone highest mortality, zone 2 most frequent site of lower mortality, neurological, distal carotid and pharyngeal injuries in zone 3. And occipital dislocation. Then this is a hyperflexion, hyperextension injury, that whiplash injury. Okay. Hangman fracture. Incision on the neck by V-shaped incision is made. Limbs of V start from mastoid process run obliquely with line of sternum meet the middle of sternum. Touchspan subcutaneous tissue dissection, deep cervical fascia. Sternocleidomastoid must discern and reflect on omohyoid, sternohyoid, thyroid, reflect thyroid. Laryngeal injury to laryngeal tracheohyoid bone is not common. Larynx trachea.